This is Orvac Karkaria with Automotive News. I'm here with Beatrice Simonson, Head of Product for Polestar. We have with us the Polestar 3, which is Polestar's second mass market vehicle. It's a Porsche Cayenne-sized, mid-size electric crossover. The initial model will be dual motor. Am I correct there, Beatrice?
Correct.
Yeah. And it'll start at about $83,000 and some change. So Beatrice, why don't you walk us around the car and talk to us a little about the unique design features in this car. There are a few pretty interesting designs that Polestar has incorporated into this vehicle.
Of course. I would just start by emphasizing what you already said. This is the Polestar 3. It's our take of the SUV for the electric age. So it's a dual motor, which is one motor in the front and one motor in the rear, obviously, with a battery pack of 111 kilowatt hours.
Okay. What does that translate into range in terms of miles?
It translated above 300 miles.
Okay.
It's not certified yet, but that is what we know already now.
So that's pretty competitive for a vehicle of this size. Yeah?
Yes, even though it is a SUV, a true SUV with a powerful stance, and also you see the wheelbase is long. We wanted to make it the Polestar way, so not a traditional like boxy SUV. We wanted to make it quite slim. So we took the aerodynamic version. So we have made an aerodynamic wing here in the front. And then you can see that the design is going extremely sleek.
So the benefit of the wing is that it basically forces the air to hug the body of the vehicle.
Exactly.
And to create limited displacement, which then creates drag and affects range.
Exactly.
Wonderful.
So this is the interior of the Polestar 3. As you know, we started with a Google built-in already in Polestar 2. We were the first car out in the world, and we're very proud, and it's working very well with the collaboration with Google. So we wanted to emphasize this also in Polestar 3. And here you see a screen. It's 14.5 inch of the center display, with half of it in the map view. And then we have different versions here for the customer to customize.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't see any buttons.
Buttons for what?
Just in general, like where are all the buttons that I expect in a car?
Do you need the buttons? For me, we don't need it, because actually who needs a start button anymore in a EV? So we wanted to make it easy. However, we do have, for instance, the wipers here on the stalk, because I think from a customer perspective that is very in hand when the rain is coming, so you don't need to go into the system. So we wanted to make it as easy as possible. We also have the driver display, as you see here, and a HUD.
Right, heads-up display.
Head-up display, sorry. We have two cameras here.
Okay.
One here and one here is the driver monitoring system.
For awareness.
For awareness, looking so I'm checking out the road instead of talking to you, for instance. We also have 4 interior radars. So if you have accidentally forgotten a dog, or hopefully not a child, you will not be able to lock the car.
Okay.
So it will give you a visual, and you will then go in and see if you have lost something. We wanted to make a very slim instrument panel for you, and you see when you're sitting now with your knees, you have a lot of space. So you see the complete cabin in the car is very spacious. We also have a wireless charger for your phone, and as you see here, it is a good volume for
a purse,
or a women bag or whatever. And then also, if you open up the armrest, you also have storage here. So it's a lot of storage around you for the driver, and as well in the door.
And this design is possible again because of the powertrain.
Exactly.
Because there's no transmission tunnel.
No.
Right. So it opens up the interior.
It opens up the interior, and the way we have done it with the slim IP also makes the car, together with a fantastic glass roof, makes the interior very spacious.
I like that little logo there.
Yeah, it's really nice.
The Polestar 3 will be built in China and in Charleston, South Carolina, at Volvo's factory. It'll be the first US-built Polestar. Sales will start at the end of the year globally, and it will start beginning production in Charleston in the middle of next year.